Chosen a call me from a year, yo. Why she a call me phone for? You are here chosen right now, you know.
No man, seriously? Seriously, B? Every time my phone ring and go to voicemail, you know, so the nigga, you take my feelings for joke you. You tell me so we're official and I saw you behave you. No man, I call you again.
Watcha. Don't call back your phone, man.
You look nice, you know?
Well, I remember say how you do it and you always try to do things nice.
So me
I
a
hope
tell you
you're not
say
up
fit
there
you.
tell me say you do nice and you just shake up. Me know your style.
No.
So, you know, wrap some and make one little bit drop down right there.
In the middle, me want me to wrap it round and leave it in the middle like we see
Falan.
on YouTube.
And I time for that right now, you know, Falan. Me say, just hurry up and come out and me not in a
Alright, we may get a little dumpling up right top.
No, set
you
no
twist,
dumpling or nothing. Any oil stay.
But
Me
if
no
you twist it so Shayna,
Falan.
how it go fix?
Just set it any one.
So I can't go on so Shayna.
Look here. You don't understand, you know, Falan. I want a problem me have for me head, you know.
What kind of problem for your head?
Falan, I mean what kind of problem?
Tell me a problem, then me help
You should know
you.
because right now me at a choosing point. And where my option right now, you know. You can't believe say rich man they tell me say me fi choose. You can't imagine Falan. So tell me what I'm going to do now from last night in the family.
Choose what?
What you mean choose what? Not choose between him and Chapla.
So him know about Chappy? Eh? You chat too much, you tell him man everything. You know if you tell man everything by yourself, you know. You know if you tell man everything by your life.
Jesus
You know if
Christ.
you tell them by your ex or who you go through if you did live in a hog pen, tell them say you did live in a mansion.
You
But me gonna use
bother.
things against you. Him gonna use things against you.
You know, say me we not bother tell you. You see how much things you just say, and I know you don't know
Boy,
all
you
the man
make up
find
your
out.
mind now. Make up your
Falan,
mind
me
now.
never went tell him nothing. Listen what happened. Me and the man go out on a date. And it's like he sit down in a bus and we did a eat one chips. Me did one drinks for drink. So me come out of the bus and me go buy one drinks. You want to know say, come back in at the bus and sit down there with the man and thing. A chap like that me see the walk pass in front of the
What
bus.
a calamity.
Falan, me a try to hide him, you know. But
What a collision.
me not even too sure if he see me cause when I time me see him I look straight through the windscreen. But the thing is this, the rich man see when time me I go so and say, who me I hide from? I mean so fool enough. Go tell him say me know the blast
Eh,
man.
before you tell him say Hans better you move your body or something.
To all me love chop
Our
lad.
son,
Me couldn't-
come to you.
Me couldn't deny chop lad right there so me couldn't just tell him say me no know
So
who
true,
that
so
come
true.
here.
Look, you love a rich one.
Falan, me need more time. Me need more
Listen
time
to me.
think about this.
Money make woman nature turn up, you know.
Falan,
What fear you go turn up for? Over the dead part?
but Falan, remember say me have to follow me heart sometime too, you know.
Follow your
Falan.
heart. You're gonna suffer.
But Falan,
And me gonna suffer too, cause me and your sister. Me shall suffer.
right now me I do like Shensia.
Where's your sister? You want to date two men at the same time?
Look here. I mean I want to choose the wrong one, you know.
If you choose Chappy, it's the wrong one. Cause
Falan.
him, listen to me, sister. You see him? Him is, you must know if you want to go, do nothing for no joy and shake for no pleasure.
Well, me need more time. At least if I figure up on one more date with the rich man, just feel him out a little bit more. Me
Thumbs
can't
up, thumbs up. Thumbs up. All fingers up.
Oi.
Chosen, me can't stop you
What you
now.
mean by you can't? What my man a come?
Me can't. Chosen, no bother with this, man.
Where my man a come from?
Chosen, no bother with
Look
this.
how much time I call the youth. Your phone barely ring one time. Put the voicemail. What kind of
Chosen.
behavior is this?
Chosen, me have to tell you, you know.
Tell me what be. You're
Right now,
supposed
me
to.
kind of lose trust in you, you know.
Yeah, Lucio, what are we really doing? Cause last time I checked with officially, I'm a man like that. Normally, I even leave the key with me. I'm noticing I leave the key with me. Can't even
Chosen.
surprise you and cook little lunch for you. Where you come from?
Me lose my money in the house. Me miss my things in the house. Me can't afford to give you my key again.
So what that's supposed to mean?
Me
Are
don't
you
know.
accusing me right now?
Chosen, me don't know what they go on.
So look what you mean by you don't know.
Eh?
You're supposed to know by this. Why you
So-
gonna make it official with somebody and you don't know? You're supposed to trust me by this. Like, come
Chosen,
on.
me kind of in a like a rush right now still, you know.
We
So,
need to talk. As right now, before you leave right here and now, we need to
Chosen.
solidify things. What we are doing? What we are
Chosen.
do right now? Yeah, my man or not? Because me should even they hunted down for the key. I'm supposed to have a copy of the key. I'm supposed to, what you mean?
Chosen, you know go work, baby. Me I tell you honest truth. Cause with you, I see one little play now. You can't tell me say, yo, I know your man, you know. But just left that
What you
alone.
talk about?
Man.
You know, say you're playing mind games. You
Nah,
find a girl with your
nah,
interest.
play no
No,
mind
me
game,
even
man.
not talking. You find a girl with your interest. You know.
Say me rate you know,
You wear
chosen.
so and it just dead so overnight. We don't have no conversation about this. Just like this, I'm a face so just like this. Wow, I'm not even really.
Chosen. I just say go man. I just lose trust and faith in you, man. Remember say me love you to my heart, you know.
So when you never talk to me about this from the start, you make everything pile up and you just
No,
drop me
but-
like this. This makes sense.
Remember you know, man, me can't put too much pressure on my brain. Remember say my father died, you know.
So who did it for you right through?
You did it for me, yes. But me don't want to put too much pressure on my brain. Right now, me just need some space right now.
What you mean by space? What kind of pressure? When things supposed to get better and we agree at him about space, how that's all
Chosen,
help?
me just want to release my mind, relax my mind, make my mind just free, you
So
know?
why we can't relax together and be free together? That's the whole point of a partnership. What you mean?
Chosen, we kind of lose the trust, and you know me is not a fighty person.
No,
and
you're
me not-
losing trust in me. That's the point.
Chosen.
Because of that, you tell me brawling right now. How you trust a lose and we you're good, we're supposed to grow and happy.
Chosen, we not left, you know, me just need a little space right now, you see what I mean?
That no make no sense,
Yeah,
you.
man,
You
that-
hurt my feelings, you.
Yeah, man, me come check you, man, so just, you know, have to just swing by each time.
You find somebody.
Next
you know
month-
you have
next
to find
month you
I don't
just
want
check
you
me, but-
nothing. No, you find a girl. You have to find one girl. Everything good, you.
Might not hurt
Yeah,
yourself,
Papa.
might not hurt yourself, man. Chosen, might not hurt yourself.
You go dead for hungry over the side, yeah? Over the side, your belly, you go full.
Me hungry. Me not think me go dead for hungry. Well, as me say, make me spend
Poor
little more
or
time.
rich?
The rich man have to prove saying me love me.
So you want to make life with man? Instead of go be with one man who make life already, I want to help you.
Then it's not easy to make life with somebody where you know for long.
No, your brain not work.
Don't figure try
No,
to make
you know
life
me
with
drop
some-
on your head when you born, you know.
No
I know
business.
me. I know me.
You can't want to try and make life with somebody who you don't know none at all, you don't know nothing about him. Me even if man back to talk to me.
him.
You ain't want no girl if you see me in a youth. Yo, what the chosen, man? Chosen, no know, say, yo, if you kind of ease up right now, virgin. I want to see chosen, you know. I'm going to call the next girl, you know, and see what she really upon, you know. Because right now, she have to give me an answer. Today.
Right now, me have to go grow up in love this a rich man, cause honestly, me not really feel it in my heart enough for that.
But that me have to take time to know him.
See how they call me.
It's either me or the youth that want me see me steer around in my bus.
Falan, you cannot come this way.
Hello?
Falan, you can't come.
Inspector Gadget.
Me go talk to you after
Inspector
me tell
Gadget.
you what I say.
Hello.
Hello? Jesus.
Hello, what going baby?
No,
What you deal with?
you know, say me there home.
No, say me call her for the on a big woman at the big man talk right now. Me not on the skumpy thing right now, you know. You make up your mind ready?
What your decision? I want to know.
Look here, me already make up my mind. So here what? Me around that school road in front of the school when me forward, me tell you.
Falan.
You know how long more call you ask to say if you're thirsty?
Yeah, man, you get what your heart desire. I rich man call.
Yes.
You know when me soon come back?
You left me
You
here.
have go up on the road and come back. You cannot come. Go deal with something.
Oh, so you always
You go
do
deal
me.
with something now. Come back.
Me a come, sister. Me a
You cannot come.
Me a go be there for a dumb sister. Me a go and see what go on. Me can't me a not
Aye.
go talk and hear nothing fi say back
Actually, you
nothing.
need even know that this is not the moment. Right now, me need some time for me and the rich man alone.
Alright,
Anything
alright.
happen
Since
for
then, I go on then.
anything happen, me go come back and me go
Alright.
tell you when me
We
come
should
back.
even me hold up your time as long as I him.
Let me take advice from you sometime. You
Yes,
soon
sir.
come back.
Alright. What good?
Anyway, me grown and you know tell me I want to hear a different thing, you know. Like the man have things there, man have to pack up everything and left with it. Everything you man have to left.
Can't believe this. far me and little dirty boy I come from here, you tell me say you don't trust me. And money I'm missing. If I see me with all that blood, sure I don't want. If I see me with all that girl in a car, be a big stone. Be a big stone, Father God. That's why I can't believe in a man and look how far me and look how drunk where I come from. Man. That's why I can't like man sometimes in you. No matter if you want about, man. Mankind, man. Not more than the boy have one girl and I go see girl too. But I can't walk in my shoes, I'm telling the boy, no, I can't take you, no.
Hello. I'm here, y'all are cry. Come
You
to
wouldn't
you.
believe what happened to me, girl.
So make you sit down in a bush and a cry, so.
I'm gonna make me tell you.
I saw me are going about, you can't really pass you and a, oh my.
So then man look a dirty boy. You want to stress and problem and trial and crosses me go through with the little dirty boy girl, you know, for me and the boy I come from.
You
And
serious?
yeah, boy want space for door.
Space.
Space.
Look here, when one man tell us they want space, I done it done.
Exactly.
Look how you pretty, then I really, if you sit down in a bush a ball over, girl, brush off yourself and get
I
up. Girl.
really love the boy.
Look here, yes, we understand so you really love the boy, but if him did love you, him that sit down right here, so with you in the bush to cry too.
That's
Get
not
up,
true.
girl, and brush off yourself. Him is not the only option for you. You hear me? I say you're too nice and pretty. Cause you good looking.
True.
A dirty man that.
Dirty boy.
You have him and him there all long and then certain little things him just want to give a
You
little
want
space.
to see him to girl.
Look here, man cannot be trusted. Some of them.
The boy
Some of
feel
them.
like the boy find a girl.
I must find
He
woman
just
then.
want space, sir.
But see the woman why find too.
Just-
Because sometimes when they left the one a yard, and choose out a road afar, then choose, no worry yourself. Everything go alright, girl. Whole heap of man out there. And you sit down, the ball over one, dege man. Look for a man in that man out there for blind eye. So you can stay there. Stop it crying, dry off your face, brush off yourself, girl. You're too pretty for that.
True, man.
And which
True,
direction you go?
girlie.
Because me no know where you go because me can't see you sit down right there, so.
I didn't even know where
Stop
you
it
were
crying,
going.
girl. Oh, me feel your pain, my.
What's the boy want that?
Me understand. You will overcome this.
Me
You
find
hear?
the next one. Me have to find the
Nobody
next
run
one.
into no relationship so fast. Put yourself together first.
But you don't tell me say man enough already and look how much man out
Yes,
there.
yes, but you need to put yourself together first. You will jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire.
That's true.
You understand what I say? Work on yourself right now. Make man go on. When a time for man we come. Man fi pick, choose and refuse. Make the little idiot dirty foot boy go on. If I know him, I help you give him a big stone.
But I mash off piece and
Me
I
say,
just tear off piece of
I
boy
wouldn't
face.
mind seeing them come now I help you give him a big stone
Oh,
and when I
wicked
feel
boy,
man.
you know.
And I hope I help you big stone him, you know, run, go back to
What
the
you
little
mean?
dirty boy, you know.
Right with your son, right now too.
Girl, look here, take care, cause me have somewhere to go here.
Okay,
And look
sir.
here, a whole heap of man out there, so right now you have to just weigh your option.
That's
I
true,
want you
girl.
to deal with right now.
Tough girl. Alright, thanks.
Yes. Me sit down cry over man, that day will never come.
Why me a look, me a wonder where you there, you know.
When me say me a come.
So
me
you
a
come in a vehicle, where we go?
Look here, make we just move from here so and go somewhere more private or talk. What you say about that?
That no sound bad. What we have in mind?
Well, you see like when me have something to reveal to you, you pick the spot.
Well, me just do the driving, you know, because I'm so anxious to hear what me really want to hear.
General star. No, wash off the car and idea, you know. Man. Light, man, turn up some place, man. It's a joy, turn anyway, you know. Oh, oh, that little face, that looks so familiar to me.
Yeah, Chappy uncle, right?
Yeah, why you grew up though?
Remember your face? So what Chappy there a long time, you know see me now?
You know, say, me don't know if chop around a whole man yard, you know. But around them, I go here now go check brother, you know, you see me?
So I could come with you?
I mean, man, no problem, man.
Hey.
Hey, chap lad father, that glad to see you now, man.
But I'm glad
tell
to
you,
see
man.
them right now.
I mean, man, so me I walk around the yard, man.
Alright, me I come with you.
That is it, you know. That man, we can go chill out over here, so all a nice little reason. See it? That man want hear some concrete words, you know, to make me feel more confident and know, you see me? Yeah, man.
Me go tell you everything what you're supposed to hear. Today. You can at least sit down first.
Yeah, man, me just explain to you.
You know, so nobody not stay going again, right?
Me I say chap lad father and even no say you know. And me have to go remind who, you know. Wait till we ground there, shock you go shock him. Cause me can't all me
See,
say.
like how you recognize me, he
Me
must
say
recognize
you know, see me have to turn up and look on your good. Me no know say you man, you surprise me, man.
That's the end of it. Man.
Man, can walk on here, juke them.
I don't tell you, you know, I'm very jealous, you know. I make me have a lot of wealth. I see a lot of potential in my evening. You see me?
Well, listen. Last night, I think about it all night. This morning again.
Yo, we not gonna raise up on no dry short reason. You know. That's what I say. I go buy. What you drink? Red Bull?
Yeah.
Yeah, I buy a Red Bull.
Alright.
I want. Cause we're not doing a dry short reason. That's what I say.
Alright.
Yeah, so far.
But it's not easy. Then, if you just get up and just tell him my business, so I mean, I really know why I'm up to yet. Yeah, I go make him know, say, me break up with Chapla that time, nothing no go so lie me, I tell him. Yeah, like me, I go and tell him lie in the meantime, because I don't know nothing much about him. Me have to play a little game too, because I still not figure out everything yet.
Brother,
Yeah, man, me there when I say, man.
how yeah.
What?
What's this time?
Well, you know, the sister gone
Happy
from morning.
father.
Hello.
Me there, man.
You remember me? I'm Brittany from me and
Yeah,
Chucky used to
Brittany.
run with and Willie.
Yeah, man, remember little Brittany, but
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mr.
man.
Brittany, I look,
Yeah, man,
yeah,
she, man.
she have look like she's tall and no, sir, little Brittany.
That me get to understand, man.
Right, so.
Yeah,
So,
man.
I was part of Chappy there, him come look for.
He would have glad to see all Brittany now. He grew up now.
Yeah, Brittany good,
Yeah, man, the girl grew up, man,
Wow.
fast, man. You know, say, tell you the truth, I see me see somebody around us, mind flashback and I say, Brittany, I say, watch her. You grew up, man. You see me? So I say, around the yard, I come link you, so you say, boy, you want to come see you, because I want to check chap lad. You see me?
Oh.
Yeah. And you say sister not there when you can meet
Why?
sister too, you know?
Chappy.
Yeah,
As
man.
morning come Chappy left the yard now, but
Sure, I'm a rogue for a morning, man.
yeah,
You know
man,
film
but
style already.
he probably soon pass through.
She run that thing for you now. Playing a year though.
You almost right, you know.
Right.
You know, remember your side around, you said it.
Yeah, man. You can sit down on either side. So make up your mind now. Tell me everything. Remember, you know, nobody to bash me, you know. This is not a date, you know. Me just have a little drink.
I understand.
You know what I mean?
I understand.
Yeah.
You just want little information.
Yes.
What you would have liked to hear.
Mhm.
Well,
I'll open it for you. Know. Yeah, man, you can talk, man.
yes, me decide who me I go choose. And me already make you to yesterday other night, me already make him know.
You know.
Yeah, me already make him know say he have to just back off because me and you in a relationship.
So
you know,
him now come in your yard again?
I know me yard you did see him.
No, but if I did a man, he must have come in your yard.
Him
So-
now come, me and him now gonna meet up again. We now gonna talk
Okay, that's
and
fine,
nothing.
that's fine.
Me make him know point blank say it's over what we did have long time ago.
Yeah.
So him not fi see me and a pre me out and them look way there. If him
Yeah,
see me
so-
with the next man, don't
So you
up
make
in
him
him
know say you
feelings.
have a new
Me
man
make
now.
him know, me make
Alright,
him know.
yeah. That is
Make
it.
him know say it can't work out
Yeah,
with me
man.
and him, so I just you
At
go
that
work.
me want to know. That's what I say.
I won't go up you very serious enough.
Oh, I'm here, man. Look for me good. Me need with the laugh. I hope
expect
you
that-
serious and don't take me for fool.
This is
You
sometimes
see the last girl I tried that. Hey. So what?
sometimes when you don't have no money and you feel like say that's all and then you don't want to push woman around. But if I really
Baby,
that you
I just that me really want to know. That's what I say.
well you hear what you need
Yeah,
to
man.
hear.
I want to ask you one serious question, you know. Big woman thing, you know. Friends, you're done with the youth. You're done with them.
Me just tell you say me done
Clean
with
page.
it.
Clean page with that one. That's what I deal with.
Yeah.
So right now, I'm me run things, you know. Anything me say goes, you see me?
So what that's supposed to mean?
You have to call me daddy.
Daddy?
Yeah.
But wait.
Anything me say goes. What you feel say? You go get hot hairstyle and bling up just so. Eh?
So with all of that, we can call you daddy.
You have to say daddy. Say anything you want, you say daddy, I need this. And you get it.
Kinda sound bossy still.
Bossy. No man, you saw
No,
you
me
look.
just a say it kinda
Look
sound
how you come
bossy
out.
like.
You're how old?
You know where about that? We get down into business.
You look very young.
I'm very young.
Right now,
Pretty young.
right now, more I'm breed you.
You move very fast.
Oh God.
You move very fast.
I slip my mouth slip. Other Red Bull, I come like them put alcohol in it.
No man, wings they on the Red Bull.
Wings.
Please in a Red Bull so your mouth start to fly.
Hey, me not tell no lie. I'm glad I'm here. I'm here. You know. So, you don't really have no problem.
Well,
We're gonna tour
like
down the
how you
world,
want me
baby.
to call you daddy, I hope you know say you have to go call me mommy.
That's cool, no man. You're my moms.
So what you say about that?
You're my moms. Hold on. Are you married during this?
No, it's small, so me just keep it on it cause depend on it break off.
You know, say any girl me see with space teeth, me not trust them. But you just have one smile or just one little buzz.
This is just a brand.
Just cool. How that?
Hold on, my phone already.
Who is that?
Hello?
Lato!
Where you come from? Eh?
Yeah, man.
You know easy, you know long we run out of here. You know long we run.
see me?
You know see Brittany? Brittany. See him, the girl go up a yard, man, shot every time. Yeah. Me know you want to see me, me know you want to see me.
Lato, so you find out.
No, see, I run the road every
Well,
time, things leak.
me just a come back from up
But
the
she
line
grew up, man.
and me say, more come get one link cause a long time we don't link up now, not like that.
Sure.
You look
You get
look
big
fabulous,
though.
man.
Thank you, you get big.
Yeah. Well, we have to get big one.
But it's on big man.
Remember
I'm big
when
woman,
you
so.
put people the left can go and I made
And tell them, man. Me not this, yeah.
You
You
remember
got
last
you.
time I jump out that tree?
Me nah nobody fit with you
We
with.
have pick mango for woman.
Yeah.
Just to see how one time.
Yeah,
You
man,
go
yeah,
do
man,
it.
yeah, man. You
Me
remember with me?
alright.
So left and all
And
left.
he gets so
So how you
lick.
man?
Every
Good
sister
man.
give him
Firm
so
enough,
lick.
man. So that you good.
So far, I give thanks, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to see
I
Brittany.
wanna
She
see
grew up
me
now.
and start
Yeah, man.
with,
Yeah,
Yo.
man, she grew up, man.
You go for second days. Yeah.
That's a sure I run as
Yeah.
well.
Lato. Be soon forward.
We
Be
don't
soon
need
link
Yeah,
you.
but I want us to
Yeah,
bonus
man.
trip in forward, yeah?
Ah.
Yeah.
Hey boy get big.
Yes, man, all of them get big, man. I say, boy, big and tall.
Wait, now give me a sec, me soon come here, yeah? I
Alright.
forgot to ask.
Alright, do I do me? That's a bit of split.
I just have to tell it, I want to give somebody, you know. What?
Excuse me,
You think you're gone, man?
no, a question more ask you. Chappy have no girlfriend?
Alright. A good question, you know. But if you tell the truth, me see, me introduce somebody around my sister birthday. You understand?
So they still at that now?
I don't really know much about him and his relationship status, you see me? But why? You know, when I come from, it feel like say, when I reach us already, you know, cause when we just so close. But me no know.
Me did gone still and one heap of something, you know that go.
Me know that go man, distance, you know, kill relationship more while, but we don't know where they. You know, say yes, somebody know and you know when me, you know, we don't know what go on. You understand? Cause you have to see what go on. And you have to chat to him and ask him. You understand?
Alright, next time I ask him, though, I'm not ask
Yeah,
him.
next time I ask him, you understand? Because you don't make no sense, you think and I wonder what is what. You understand?
For real.
Yeah, man. So take care of yourself, man. You look mummy left for me, you hear?
Alright, then we'll do that later.
Alright.
Take care. Thanks again.
Yeah, man, you're welcome, little bit. I'm going to say, yeah. One day, if somebody wanted to go pawn shop, because I'm going to find them again. I'm 20,000, you know. The pawn man for 5 grand, I can sell it for 10.
You know?
I'm done talk to him now. So, what you say, how do you go one back?
You know, sir. It's about, you know, sir. I want to talk to brother, you know. I want to talk to brother about that thing, you see me? So you want to know, you know.
Me I can't go upstairs because it's
Yeah,
so hot
and
and I
you
want to
want
lie
to
down.
open your ear when you go across the road, you see me?
Yeah, me know that.
Yeah, because you know, a long time we are teach you to walk on the road and them something there. And no watch them young boy out there, because them fly off everything they see, you know.
Me
You
know
understand
that.
what I say?
Me
So
not
just-
walk around and shall cut around this. So.
Alright, bless up yourself here. And heal up your family for you here. Alright, bless. Brother, you know, I have to go link him up at that building. The young is growing up. God almighty, if me woman shark, me just run him down and they put argument in, but a good thing a little bit now we grow up. You see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah, blow man. How much I didn't ticket my youth give me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right now, you see if I can juggle up and ticket quick and fast, you know, because I don't know say money I have to make. Put them to your side. We invite moms, you know, because fish fry are going to be a bam. Don't know. It keep our next month, October is the 16th. I don't know, say. You say, when you get a ticket, you get a handband. You don't know, so nobody can do fool on the thing. Don't know anything go. You find a woman you have to cheat her nice, you know. And a real woman. You don't give me no bun. I don't like you as a girl, I'm a loyal girl. You know that me like with her, she loyal. She outstanding. You see me?
Shop! Wait! Oh, upstairs there. Alright, I'll come there. Boy, I feel like I'm getting old, you know.
See me up a say, you know.
Alright, my boy.
Yeah, man. See you go on.
Tell me how I go on.
No, so one of my virgin I keep on fish fry. Yeah, grand for the ticket here. I keep next month, the 16th. You say, oh, we sell them off, you can get a little thing in the pocket, same way. But we plan to invite more, 2 for me woman, so we can invite her same way.
Yeah.
You know. So in case you know, give me the money, me have 2 tickets, can invite me woman see me, and make she have a nice time, and we have a nice time. You know that sound good?
So, like, you plan everything around the woman, though.
Eh?
Woman. And then the woman.
But true, you know, so we are young love, you know, I have to treat you a girl nice, so we don't want she feel left out, and if you know, so we go somewhere and bring her, she gonna feel away like a bull me a gear. So
Well,
better she come.
You know, I'm glad say you love woman.
Yeah.
But you can't put woman in the center of everything. And help out your friend, that's good. You understand? But when you go take things serious and go find a real job, chappy.
But we can't manage 9 to 5, you know, even more easier. You get that easier money, you see it? Yeah, look, you sell 2 tickets.
Where you come from? If you are sweat, this easier.
I'm going to check.
Walkie community.
Yeah, man, let me do yes.
Well, you're young. I hope you grew up in time, you know. You understand? Because there's a time coming when you have to turn up. You understand, my boy? Yeah, man. We are the important friend and thing. You see me? But you see, woman now, woman is that thing, you know. Study them. And to jump. Try and know somebody before you jump too far. You understand?
But you look like I want good man still not that. You look like you know really keep problem man so.
Oh,
Yeah.
like you know the problem.
He call me 24/7, check up on me, and this in there.
So
Let me
I'm
good.
one your little friend.
A
That
bit.
bit me at that.
Alright, so let me say, it's supposed to have a man now. We don't need to look this, because me have my woman already. So,
Okay.
I mean, no, I give her no bun. It's supposed to have her man.
Well, anything I say still, you
Mm.
know. I just hope you get up on the right path and you don't get disappointed.
No, sir, me no feel,
You know?
me no feel so.
You don't feel so.
Someone's a strong black woman.
Well, I'm there if anything. You understand? Me just
Yeah,
like
man.
check up on you. You're good otherwise though.
Yeah, me go to try count and ticket and
I'm
check the
say,
money.
me not there too long, you know. I'm not sitting in a place for one or 2 months. I know
Yeah,
long
man.
I see me can get called and I have to go back over to work.
Yeah.
So me not really.
Anything.
When you stay around looking at yard, what me there, you see me?
Yeah,
You
man.
run up and down.
Yeah.
You understand?
Alright, big up, me there. Alright.
Yeah, man, you see now that you make up your mind also. I hope you have your passport, you know. You have your passport.
Of course, me have my
I
passport.
will make sure see your passport not up, you know, because many things in store now. We're going to tour the world. That's what I say. Yeah, cause I hope you're not afraid of height, cause we are going to some like zip line, adventure stuff.
You mean like in Jamaica or like
That's cool, no, man. We can go.
excited?
What is wrong with you?
Me excited, me.
We're gonna tour the place, man. Oh, what? Nobody that care nowhere. Eh?
Well, the thing is that him not really have money like you.
Don't worry yourself.
Certain
Watch
things
out now.
to do.
Let me just take you for your drive out. I'm just glad to hear from here. You see me?
Alright.
See you now, hug me up. You don't like how you're moving up.
Because if you just speak here and a bit of shy.
You know, if you shy, listen to me. Me don't want a shy girl. First thing, me don't want a shy girl.
What?
Don't want a shy girl, yeah?
You know,
Not easy.
Wow. You still there, man?
Yeah, man, me there easy because I want to see you, you know.
Why, come out of somewhere.
Why, brother? Oh, really, because I know you can't manage it.
Can't manage it.
So feelings differently.
Otherwise, me looking at it and pretending to be alright.
Mm.
And I feel like a pain this morning, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah.
So where you feel pain honestly?
And I'm a chest, man.
Chest.
Chest. Right over the side. I remember saying if you get one I bought you out them, but I want a rhythm pace of my heart.
Within place of your heart.
Yeah,
So.
The doctor said we could have gone if it's care health, but really right now.
Brother, I know them listen more here. I know every time me say man get battery something put in the heart and them man they dead after a while, you know. Then
Don't worry about that,
time,
brother,
you know.
man. We're not going to man. We're just going to do right, man.
You don't tell me if you don't worry about that.
too
You
manage.
don't tell me if you don't worry about that. I know what me I say. I mean if you don't worry about that, you tell me say your heart and you have to tell me about battery. I know them listen no more here, man. You see me?
We're good, man. Obviously, I just want a slight little pain in my chest. Not much.
So you're sure say I know also you talk about battery and heart and something. I don't like
Brother,
hearing
man,
that.
say overseas me come from where doctor them there. You understand? I know what go on, man.
So that the doctor say?
That the doctor say I go too hard in the young age. You understand? I pressure myself too much.
You don't say now, say me can juggle that and sit and link to you and deal with it.
So what you say? You not tell the boy about illness.
Why? But I think if you're ready.
Yo, yeah, me tell him man before late. That me a try
I
tell
think
him.
I come see me now and state.
Just tell him man before late, man.
Come.
Hey! I'm gonna say that, but you get that wrong, so I'm sitting there.
Yo,
You go on the road, here. I think they meet me at the
Go on the right, man.
Naito.
big up yourself,
Yeah, man, me there, you know.
See me I say, yo, remember, you know, you have to be careful, you know.
Yeah, man, be careful,
That's what I
man.
say. Protect yourself, you know, my boy.
Alright.
You can't move too wild, you know.
Yeah, man,
There
everything.
is certain things I want to talk to you about, you know.
Alright.
See me I say,
Yeah.
remember, you know, my nephew.
Yeah, man, me call link you in the yard, man.
Yeah. I want to talk to you, boy, you know. So you say, you know, tell the boy, you have to tell the
As
person.
me say, when I come back, I didn't feel saying in a more circle, in mind a circle and a woman a worry
Brother, you
about
are
and all
going.
of this.
You are going.
I don't know if you can manage so much,
The best
brother.
thing in life is when you show a man say, brother, son, here, me know well. But you see me a mood, so me know well. Me sick inside, but me a try to put the best outside. You see me I say, to make you no look no way, but right now, if they go bad, which part me have to tell you. You see me I say, so either you go get wise or you go lose everything. Cause when you dead, you know, everything dead, you know. The whole of your dreams, everything where you're in a hope for, you're not dead, you know. So you have to make him know what I want for now. See if that can change him to be a better man, brother. If they take responsibility for certain things, brother. You see me I say? But when he see you and you're happy every day and you come in and he can say, Pops, you know, say, my broke, and I look at thing and you back out a thing, him don't know what you feel inside, you know. But you have to put the best outside for him see that. Brother, you have to tell him man and talk about like you can't keep sickness for the man, brother. Who else you go tell? Eh? Your girl them, who you go tell? Sister, a sister you go tell, if you know say if you tell sister one next problem for me.
Yeah,
every day in down for me. You see me? Him me no want stress neither. So show you to you, show him, I feel him.
Oh, you know say as on team I make up say you want a couple of no know but
you know say pan a big man level. Yo, me kinda good so far, you know. Cause you see what you tell me, kinda worry me. You know
worry about that, man.
You can't tell me if you no worry, brother. You can't tell me if you no worry. When you sick, we sick too. You know what I say? I this sort of thing there. You not tell yourself you no worry. But we wish you best to you see him. But I show yourself you tell you.
I tell him,
you
I tell him, I tell him.
You don't show him, me I go call him one side and make him know.
No,
so watch
no.
And that. So you show him. If you don't want me show him, you show him.
Let me tell him.
Yeah.
I don't want to have me up here.
That no one.
Let me tell him.
Tell him. I best you tell him more than me. You know in a move away already and then me go tell him, go say then, oh, you never tell him all of that. Brother, you have to make him know what you're sick. You see me? So brother, get your tea drink. And if I know, you show me. You know if you get in touch with me. You see me?
Alright, no problem, man. Go
on
the right.
always busy.
Yeah,
man, you do that, man. Remember, tell sister say man come out. Yeah?
No problem.
Yeah, man. Keep it straight. Yeah? Yeah. Want the best, brother.
I hope when you better train, I'm sitting on the road because she not getting none of my food. Because she not left nothing for me to eat. You want to read what you want to reap and you know what sow. You better make sure say man give himself in the road because for me not drop no catch. Sure.
Sister, you cook. Come here, wash off myself.
At that first I saw reach.
Come on, talk to you.
You did well want wash out the pot. Me and wash out the pot and honey down before you come. Boy, you you start pack up back in here.
You done cook?
Nothing on bubble.
I mean say nothing on bubble, so what you in the kitchen you do?
And you should have bring back something to eat. Now you go up on the road. Dry throat reasoning date. You sure I know say no crystal punch you drink? So you could have put look my food in one box carry one for me?
I no food there for now.
So I drink alone you go drink, sister?
Alright, come out of the kitchen, make me and you chat. Because we have enough things to talk about.
Oh yeah, I don't know what my name so far.
Come out of the kitchen, make me tell you what I'm going for.
Come now.
Because you see I don't cook, you don't cook. Girl,
What a way you rush past go change off clothes so quick.
help me I figure wash off to car, guess what?
You can't tell me nothing and trick me up. Talk truth, man. Cause me know a girl do anytime then we do it. Me know say I sit here go do.
I know nothing me go do, but listen.
I hurry up and come bathe off, boy. You're sweaty and tired. What make you sweaty and
Listen,
tired?
Falan, the rich man they all over me. And you see
So
cologne
he
where
may
I
wash
have
off?
on? No really, he have on one man cologne and chap lad no how man cologne smell is strong, extra strong. Not really sweet like it's strong. So me no want Chappy come smell it on me cause guess what? Chap lad soon come look for me. So that's why you see me come and rush go straight.
Him no look
to my
like a
bathroom.
skeptic, man.
Who no look like a skeptic man?
I watch it.
Fella, nobody come style Chappy like that. You not expect a man go and check on his girlfriend. Where you take this thing from?
Ma smell you.
At least me wash off this cologne when me have on the scene.
Say me what can do. Sniff you? Sniff
No,
you?
when go come close to me and me cannot avoid that. Follow me, but say my boyfriend.
So you not
now.
interact with people on the road?
But me and people now go up on the road. If me and you stay so on the talk, your cologne cannot rub off
Alright,
on
tell
me.
him what you want,
have to
tell him.
all over me.
Tell him anything you want
And me
tell
want
him.
to realize
Me
that.
glad say I know the man rich man, you dey tell nothing about him. Tell you, me glad say the other way around.
You know say not easy.
Me glad say I saw you go.
Why you do try to twist things? You're glad say not other way around. So you prefer me tell chap lad bad things then and just tell the rich man pay nice things.
Tell him any lie you want, tell
You
him.
damn lucky and you alright. I mean no chap in
Tell him 10 Tory in a one.
Cause at the same time, me still a test. Me still have one more test to test all the rich man. Cause I'm not too sure if I him yet.
I know say no test
And
him,
me
I
still
test
a go
you.
test chap lad again. Cause me still not sure yet. Me
My-
want to see.
My friend no fool, you know.
Look here, me no want make you wrong choice. So all you in a me head every day that talk about rich man. Take it, rich man. Me no want make you wrong choice.
I suppose I take you wrong breed.
What kind of wrong breed? Me a run down baby now?
That's why you have to go. You don't know what can happen.
You think me a close spin?
Me know you know.
Them now go quiz my head and
So I
my
run.
legs open so fast.
It does in my brain.
No, but I feel like say I give rich man nothing to you see me run come and go.
And that
me never know.
You lick the nail.
We go out and listen. In camera run around. Remember why place name but run the so lock.
All the memory leak
Run the
out.
so lock so we go chill out and drink Red Bull. A long time you not drink one Red Bull or Red Bull me and him
Cause he
drink.
wanted to give you wings.
Me no mind
Which he did.
Me no mind getting wings to
Obviously.
fly in my life. Me no mind fly fast too.
He man have open arms.
Him supposed to rich people always have open arms.
So no
Falan.
kiss?
No Falan.
Ah.
What?
Me know I say, me know what.
Falan, listen now. Me go tell you. But me know when chap lad come around and you use that against chap, you know. Do me I beg you, Falan. Me and your sister.
I won't.
You see when we there on our place drink.
I
food,
promises.
everything. Yes, when we decide to go home. Me I walk off and sitting. You man fire kiss for me long time, you know, Falan.
Wow.
Me say, Jesus, Chappy, Falan. Delete the last guy. Yeah, Chappy, me I come.
Go on. Are you alone today? Your sister? No, sir. What do you come out there, so? See, you see you go on, you good?
Yeah.
I will say me a pass and make a link, you know?
So, where you care for me?
Me no carry nothing, you know, me say me go up on the road, go.
Not even want drinks.
So when day I cook, I'm thirsty and on drinks today. If she feels that she not gonna get drinks and me cook the food, she make a sad mistake. She feels that she a go with that boy there, you see.
You know what I say? I'm a virgin, I keep on fish fry.
Yeah.
But he say me if you sell them, take it a fame. You understand?
Oh.
So, me say I want to take 2 times, one for me, one for you.
You take
So
me
guess-
so you not pay for it.
He might pay me if you sell them. So, in case you don't give me the money, any idea, me still get a ticket. So, I'm here going to go.
Fish fry.
Yeah. Oh, armband, me no give you armband, sorry.
So listen,
Armband.
little hot spot. So listen, you see
say,
like how you give me
don't
this?
last the armband, you know.
No,
If you last the armband and the ticket, you know, get to go in.
thanks. That's why I love you, you know. But listen, you see like how you give me this now for God. This event. You remember I suit you did promise me up a lady if you buy for me.
Yeah.
And she said she can give for $900. You
Want
can
it?
buy for me. Where you come here, so.
No problem, no problem. there.
Make sure
Cause I
you're
guess I
not
know,
choppy.
the money you go make, cause this is going to help me make some money so you can buy. I go up on the road, go finish juggle out there.
China.
You follow.
No juice not in there now. Remember say me a cook. Say better you go get juice with you. Better you go get juice.
You know
Cause you go hungry, you go be sure you know say you go thirsty.
Alright. Fine. Cause when me come here say you not cook, me no know.
Me go give you some of my food.
You did say you not.
Me go give you now.
Ready?
Wait for me, wait, no, you can't wait. Me go and shop.
Sister, one of you.
Alright, me wait for you. Go put on.
I put on my shoes on.
Go on and come.
I never see somebody upset.
One, you say
somebody's
yeah,
too
go
much.
and finish cook. Me
Who am I?
You can't go on no further. You can't go on, man. You're good, man. Boy, I'm no fella like me, you know. From day one, fella like me. But you can't tap me and share nothing. Because right now, I'm going to be a brother and all.
Falan, go on a shop, go and go buy drinks. Them go on now. Yes, me if you go buy drinks, I had broke your neck.
I just threw you and go get the drinks, make me go on.
Yeah, you like me flirt to come out.
With that day.
Come on.
And nobody will feel you astray, you know.
No, nobody feel lead you astray.
I mean, I know. But where you see?
Yeah, I'm gonna set pants.
I'm going to say. I'm going to do it.
No, what makes you not like you? I must show you not carry nothing come put in her hand.
Oh, that's where you go, yeah? Yeah.
So me can just buy drinks same time now and I shop down there.
Yeah.
I should have just buy one cold drink for myself and one hot one.
Oh man, do you
That's
right,
how me
man.
know wicked enough. I know that she never want to cook no food.
Why?
I saw she stay and then she had to talk about me to just come buy drinks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was a full man.
But me time.
No, man, me can't type for you, man. What's simple
No,
thing
make
that?
me just
No, man,
try
that's simple
chopping.
thing that, man.
You know what
Yeah, so me
I'm
type. Simple thing that, man.
You really are telling me this? Jesus, you love me that much?
Good enough. Come to you, man. And now I'm all pre, man. Now
You
I'm
don't
not
go
money.
loose again because I feel like you're tight.
Yes. I'm going to have to give you a good man.
Like that.
Look here now. I shot me around this here.
Alright, later.
Look come on.
Yeah. Take care, yeah?
Yeah. Brittany,
Sophie.
whatcha? What a coincidence.
Hi.
What are you doing so?
There, take a walk. Something the
Oh,
other way.
I come for me so.
Yeah.
So you go do it?
Yeah, alright, you?
Yeah, I go on easy. You know, so I saw one ticket me I say, me don't know.
What
Want
kind
to
of
buy
ticket?
one fish fry.
Fish fry?
Yeah.
Your fish fry?
Oh, I'm a virgin fish fry.
Oh.
And he give me the to sell.
Okay.
You want to buy?
So you go did it?
Yeah, of course me I go.
Alright. So maybe we see me then.
No problem. So, you can hold on panny when me see you, you just give me the money.
Alright then, no problem.
So,
But checking you something to ask you.
what? You come back with the childhood business because we grew up as a
No, I'm not like that.
big people tired now.
Alright. Did I ask if you have a girlfriend?
At this time, yes. I'm talking to someone at this time, so. Nice.
Okay.
What?
So
Nice little girl, man. Nice, young. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So how long
See
will I
him dark
talk
skin
for?
like you.
Oh, that's wonderful. I'm happy for you. So how long will I talk for now?
Few weeks.
Few weeks?
Yeah.
You sound like you're in love already at a few weeks.
No, I'm not really in love, but you don't know a thing. You book a nice girl have to just do the right. You
So
see
you
me?
just meet her, you never know her from
But you know her a long time.
like
But
you know
we
her a
come
long
meet
time.
up with her on the street. You know, man, I get to talk, so we sign a come to agreement to work on a relationship, you know. But
Okay.
come on, man. You're too nice for this thing. Cause guess I know, man harder to get woman, you know. More woman harder to get man. So come on, man. I look you're pretty clear.
You have to just understand
Stop it.
and anybody me want. Is it?
Why?
Because not everybody make a cup of tea.
But sometimes I have to take chocolate.
You know, so from me, some I'm very pickish, so.
But
Me pickish when it
But
comes
you kind
down
of,
to
you
man.
know someone out there for you. But at this point, you know, you look tall but you're full short.
whatever that means. So,
You know what I mean?
well, not really.
Probably if you never go to your wife,
Oh, that's that.
the thing would have worked out right. But you know, it is what it is. You go do it.
Yeah, alright.
Right.
So,
When I say, man, see you around. Remember to check me, yeah?
alright then later.
Alright.
Take care.
Yeah.
Boy, brother, you know easy, you know. Brother, you know easy at all. Brother, you tell me something for from what you tell you, I worry, you know. Your boy come in the yard yesterday, seeing, and they move up and down, you still not tell your brother say you're sick. You have to tell your son, I want to say if you tell your son say you're sick. You can't pass any time, you know, brother. You just don't want, brother, what make you afraid to tell your son? Are you one son, you know? Are you one son? Seeing, after when you work, you have money already. You have money, that's not your problem. Seeing, I sick of your problem. We're not tell your son about. Come on, man. You man a big man now, you know.
No, say a big man, but you not see me act like a big man. That
Brother, he have to grow. You know he go grow. When you were little, see him, when you were much younger, seeing, I see when you already run down human, you know. You know much human, you know you have. I see him thing chip no fly for from black, brother. See if you tell him man, say you're sick. Make him can understand himself.
I tell him. Tomorrow I'm gonna tell him. Tomorrow.
Brother, me fed up, you know. I'm tired of it, you know. Me tell
He
you,
said tomorrow I'm gonna tell him tomorrow.
brother, just do it. I don't want to hear you go tell him when you not tell him. Because I know say he's a man, sure. You worry about what?
So, Bob, so you go tomorrow?
Oh.
Oh, not go tomorrow now.
Oh, you know, so I want like a businessman when I talk about.
Oh, so
I
now
want like a businessman when I talk about, so.
Tomorrow, man.
Tomorrow you go daddy?
Tomorrow.
No, I'm not good, man. I'm not good. I just check on somebody. Remember the long time people them what they used to young, you know.
Oh, so you're not going to check them tomorrow?
Yeah,
visit them and
check
see.
on some
No,
people.
do no thing, man.
Check on some
Yeah,
people
good,
because
yeah,
one
man.
time when they stay so and when much smaller,
Yeah.
they take care so.
Alright, yeah, man. Do no thing, you know? Alright.
You make me feel like doing it, you know. Next service tomorrow.
So, Pops,
Yeah.
let's see the milk in that fridge.
Why?
When you go down the road, you make certain ones and get some milk, you know?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Alright. So, oh sister,
Why, sister, good you know, say me go over there.
you ain't give sister a message when me give you?
Oh, you know, say me not see sister come like sister stay over in next house, you know.
Oh, but you know so you're not finished up.
Yes,
Okay.
I guess what sister there. Sister no.
Anyway, still, I give thanks that he step up and he game, you know?
Yeah, man, sister go on good, man.
No, not the Pops. Jump on the road, you know.
Alright, stay out of trouble here. Stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
Say, Amatafa, come here, Minella.
Oh, no.
Come here. Yeah, hear me? Tell him what you tell him, because if you not tell him now, your father has to tell him.
What are they? So, Pops, where are you from?
Me can't manage father there, brother. Me can't manage it.
Me no understand
Now
that
sit
different
down
things.
and listen.
I don't know if you look on the road. And you ask if you tell me. Hour.
Brother, talk to your son, no, man.
I don't remember me at first.
Talk to your son. I don't know if you're afraid about man. Talk to your son.
Chopping boy. A good youth, from your little boy, a good youth, from the first time you're born, you know, put a smile on my face and just, you understand?
Yeah.
Well, you know, to your father not that healthy, and that's why you see me remember.
Like you want vitamin C and this in there.
Father, not that healthy. Listen what I have to say.
Me not that healthy, that's why you see me come down and try to spend enough time with you, you understand?
What do you mean by me not healthy? We don't understand.
Alright.
My nephew, if you not listen, you're not going to learn. That is the reason why I didn't keep it away from you for this long time. This might be learn.
I don't know if you're ready for it, but I'm going to tell you, cause you need to know. I have a weak heart. And anytime I can faint or
So how long?
pass out. You understand?
So how long is that? I guess not long for.
Quite a years.
Years.
Quite a years, my nephew.
Years.
Yes, and that's why I
Suppose they didn't chat down how many don't know what going on.
Listen, my nephew, just listen.
So Pops, I use your ID from me. I mean, first of the
I look for
You not ID.
I just
Yes!
money.
I put a check on me,
boy. I protect me, I protect you. Understand?
To all you them move me there. You have to keep
I want to tell
certain
you
things.
something, youth.
You understand what I'm saying?
Lord,
That's the
God.
reason why I always have to tell you something. Stay out of trouble.
I want to tell you something, my son.
You understand?
Yes,
But
sir.
now one day, you turn big man. And you broke and
You can't miss about, oh God, that woman, I'm not.
If you tell you, I ease off the pressure.
So all this time, we saw now whisper. It's not about.
No whisper about it now and again some of the time, but otherwise you talk about business. You understand? But listen what you have to say.
Alright, so sickly. I'm not fully sure about life and the time we have on earth, but I'm good. You're not worried about nothing. The next thing I want.
So you check up about it then?
Check up regular, my son, man. I always do that, man. My son, I want to live fine, man.
Sometimes
You have one, man. Next thing you need to know. Your man feel say, I don't have much, but you see this a place where I always come book out and rent out like say mine until I say at least when you see a mine for real.
Have you?
I feel my place and I have whole in my place. The father rich.
You understand?
Me some rich long time, I don't know.
Alright, and that's why you have to keep down certain things for
The
you.
father rich, you're not poor.
You understand?
You're born in a well.
You have me a bar with us, a house and I make
No,
people.
my boy, I never want to just make life easy for you. I understand the value of hard work and faith and, you know.
But that is, but that's the fire road, that's better for me.
No man,
That
I
to
don't
make
want
it
to
stay
spoil
up.
us. I don't want to spoil them boy. So that's why I try to keep it to see what you are doing. You understand? But as far as I see,
That's why I have to always make
you're
sure
kind of
you're
slow,
alright.
but I see potential. You understand?
I'm very rich, I don't know.
And a richer, that me I talk about, you know. That me I talk about.
Come
You
on,
know,
behave
worry
yourself,
about
man. So you
when
don't
that
have
you
to
go
worry
deal, you
about
talk
me
about
and my
rich.
health because we can maintain the medication and something there. You understand? But so like how you know now, you know, make no sense me kind of have up on the same level. What you want? What you want at this present time? What you want now?
I know you're sick and everything, but
No, you know, so yeah.
no, me know. But I want some money to take care of mom. So just see me I take care already, but I don't know. Make she happy and everything. Make her buy her shoes, clothes to take care of herself, do her hairstyle. Especially, you know.
Shoes, clothes, and hairstyle.
Yeah, man.
Alright, my boy.
Nice, better say a nice girl.
That's your
And
one.
she quiet.
And that's your one.
Yeah.
You want
To make her happy.
how long since you know her?
Almost a month. I know a long time, you know. But me and her start get back together. A couple of
Are you
weeks
sure
now.
you want invest so much in her?
Yeah, because I know her from infant school, but through we got separate high school, we never get to see her again.
Alright.
You know?
Go.
A long time know her, man.
Alright, my boy. So this
But then you not have to give me so much money to give. Yeah.
I know
Just
I
one
wallet money.
portion,
And I wallet money. This
Yeah.
is a trip to Paris.
Well,
Paris. All inclusive
Paris.
hotel. About 2 weeks. I bought this vacation for one of my greatest friends for the anniversary, but I'm gonna give it to you and I'm gonna book back the trip. You understand? So you can take her out. You understand? And have a good time. You see me? So this, just do it right. You understand? Me not much time, I'm not sure my time, but I want to make you happy and see what you can do with your life. And this now is a little change. I just want you to take it and
I don't know what he said, Daddy.
here man, just
I
take
have to
it
say thanks.
and
don't
do
know what
what
he
you
said.
can.
Thanks. You have a good daddy.
If I feel him as yeah.
Don't worry yourself, man. Just make your father proud and I will
Lady will stand by you, you understand?
Yeah.
Because a good man need a good man, you see me? Yeah.
Yes, my brother, my feel.
Thanks, yeah, Daddy.
You're welcome, man. So, just go and be right, you know?
Yes, so my stress come out.
Alright. So, I go down there and give her and make she know. So, you can prepare for her early. Make she know, you know?
Yeah.
Daddy, we go down there until I say I'm richer now and everything going alright, everything going good. And we go, you see that money you give me? We're going to buy an engagement ring and propose to her Paris.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh boy.
So that's what good idea that day.
Sound good, but hear me I say. Just do this for me. Don't tell her I say you're rich.
I'll tell her the party.
No. Just bring her out and propose to her.
By the ring and hide it then.
No man, you can't do your thing. Propose to her and see what she said.
No, me never.
And give it like a time, you understand?
You must say me don't know if you
But
need
don't
that.
tell her I say you're rich, alright my boy?
Yeah, don't tell her rich part.
Don't tell her the rich part.
You see, your rich part, you
Yeah.
keep between you and your daddy.
Me not gonna tell her.
Cheater, nice. When you don't go out for a date, enjoy yourself and come back. Don't tell him about the riches.
Me not gonna tell her.
See, the moment you tell him about the riches,
I'll go home.
read between the lines.
Alright my boy.
Alright, yeah. Yeah man, big up on yourself.
Alright.
Take
Take
care
it
of yourself.
easy, yeah.
As me tell you, me not that
Man.
stay out of trouble, man.
Yeah.
Be careful my son.
Alright, me not gonna tell her about rich part.
Yes,
Yeah.
be careful. I know about that, I can't remember, you know. See, your daddy sick.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Why, my brother? Glad to see you tell him.
Glad to me tell him to boy. You see, if anything happen, are your father. And if he losing way and the money get to him, are your father. You make it get to him.
No. I'm glad for you never give him a whole lot of money, you give him piece of money. And you tell him about your sickness, so make we see wine go do. You give him a vacation trip for him and his woman, to go enjoy himself, so make me see wine more do.
Alright.
I'm glad to you tell him you're sick and you have a problem, and I tell him you can pass at any time, so if you're more serious in yourself. You understand what I say?
Alright.
Yes.
Alright. So what you know?
Yeah.
Come go up on the top there.
Alright,
Look
I'm
out,
your
you know.
business, yeah?
Come on man, I'm here about man. You can't left me as man. You know some sick already man. Come on man.
Brother. Why?
Me can fix up and come with you too. Fix up and come with me. Where me I go?
You just say, me know you will soon ready if we go so.
You can't do that. Me no follow.
I hurry up too.
Remember say a 2 man me over feature my ends one time, you know, girl. And me still away me up front because me not figure
One a
things
man and
out
one a man
yet.
too.
So which one you feel are the man?
Oh, not the rich one.
Me know that you ain't go say.
Me
But
a
you
come.
know, you cannot come Falan. You think a crowd business this?
You go see.
A one away soldier business is Falan. Me have to decide my mind by myself. You can't come, you go unbug things and then look weird. They just relax.
And my birthday just gone and look how you treat me.
Me a treat you bad, Falan. You not even say, wait till things go on for me, then you talk about your birthday.
Remember good, remember good. Looking at your brain box, good. Looking at your pipe and where you smoke, good. If you ever, when you're ready, if you ever ask me more and come. Ain't good thing you tell me, sister, me soon come and run gone.
So when me go carry your condo, me love it too, man. Actually, kinda. You understand? But when me carry you, where you go do black traffic, you can't go take it same man when me dey take. So when me go carry you, go do Falan.
One play park there next door, me can ramp
No.
up.
You see me be here and set up myself. Me I wonder none of them not even call me yet. You dey talk about you can't come. You
Text the rich one, make it tell him. I didn't give you credit, so I can't please call me, y'all look for same.
No, me I say me I wonder how none of them no call and they supposed to call me up and them want up for me body, you know. And I'm if you ring off no man phone, you know.
So tell the poor one make him call you.
Me not text none of ring that he's supposed to call.
So you worry yourself for them.
Me not worry myself for you, they worry all you there and I'm gonna wear me always on the go. You look here. Sit down there and cool off yourself. And stop walk up and down.
Them a bill one you 2 road up on my beer, you know?
Me hear about you and it's soon done too.
Or they a drive past.
Who you talk? You know how much money they go charge you for drive on toll road? Listen, you see when time you reach right at the toll, you come off and walk.
So where you park your car?
Park it up at the entrance somewhere safe before you enter toll.
That not safe.
You must know. You have car, man? What you know about safe and driving vehicle and park which park?
Never say
You
never.
park yourself one side and this house every day. You not even say come out.
Then the same thing me a talk about with you.
Falan, all you do is go shop, go buy a phone card, fill up, watch people business on TikTok. No man, now look for you, so you're not going to get
Hey,
no man.
see if you're not carrying news good again, you know. Steve DJ no can use good again, you know.
No.
At TikTok you use there, you know.
But at the same time,
At even Google.
but you still have to make fresh breeze catch you that fresh
So make
man
a fresh
can't
piece
see
take
you.
me when pop on the toll road where you pass no sister.
You cannot come, you could have chat iron.
Me telling you back seat and eat food and drink drinks and unreasonable love.
No, you know, you can't hear all that business. So.
Me not hear me, you call me ears and eat.
Yo, go on, man. You have to go overseas to me, you know. Because you have to go see him now.
Hold on, brother. You're not open. I can't reason upon dry truth, you know.
You know, so I just carry down in the fridge. Watch, you know me have 2 beer in the fridge. Go and go check for them off forward now and go and look out for me. Go and do it right, man. But basically, I'm just want you to watch over him. You see me?
I'm not forward.
Alright. Aye. She gonna like this, you know. Oh God, I'm going excited more than I'm excited right now. So God, me and no.
Why you want to follow in my footstep and not me following in your footstep? You see, say nothing I'm going for you. You see, say nothing I'm going for you. Shake up yourself, man. You're bigger when you come go and like, but follow back at me. I should have me follow you.
Remember say mommy's
Hey.
street. Remember say mommy's street.
That's for sure you say I'm a leader.
No answer.
Yeah! He answer.
He said, "We tell
Yeah,
you say
come.
there, yeah."
No, follow and stop me.
He said,
What-
"We
what
tell
is
you
it?
say
What is
he
it?
not there, yeah."
Eat that text.
Dana,
Yeah!
come here.
We no business.
Come here.
Now come. Watch you. China.
Come here.
Come see it. You talk about me, what me fi do?
You have something to tell about me, so go walk.
So tell me,
We don't have to
come on, girl.
You have to walk, you have to walk. Come on. The sister, alright. Come on, sister. Come on.
See, me fi do. What me fi eat and drink when I'm not there now? Drink tea. You see me want bust gas, Shana. And you are go eat with the brook and papa, man. I hope him buy something good for full your belly. See it? You look when they always spoil. Me couldn't get to do what you do, you know. Because mommy strict, and you know. I don't know why she not treat you the same way she treat me and be hard on you same way. Get same rules them like me. Don't worry yourself. You just do good and do good, you hear? Watch there. Shana! I don't drink no sauce of tea by myself. You never left nothing for me near me. Just because me a bigger one. That not say.
See that breadfruit you punch here, brother, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You say, you get bread them.
Yeah.
Alright. Come on, put it for me there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uncle, hear that? Remind me of when you were youth.
Oh, I was to keep for you and drink
Over
one
Miss
beer.
Good.
Yeah, man.
Yes, brother, man. Brother, one thing I'm glad for, you know. And I'm telling you. Glad. You know. See, you tell me. But,
Why?
cheers.
I am the right thing with them, man. I don't know.
So, brother. You alright, brother?
No, I'm good, man. What do you want, old man? So, you have me to say?
Let's see one. Talk to me.
What you know, no? If anything you know, say, you know, accountant, you just have to just help him give the accountant, because the accountant don't like when people rush her and talk to her, but she do the job good.
Yeah.
And if anything, and him have to go take over, you just have to just, you know the
So, what you say? Me have to go do that for encourage him.
did they feel him for guide him, did they feel him for decision, did they feel him for everything, because you know the people them, but him no know.
Yeah.
You understand? And everybody can grow with a young boy attitude. So
Yes,
you can give him a little prep talk before. You understand? Before any little thing, if anything, for happen. You understand?
True, brother.
Yes, so I just want you to do the film. And when he get it good now, you can give him a little slack off and make him just do it by himself and watch him. But overall, you never have to look out for him. You understand? I said, if you dedicate your life to him. But just,
brother, man, you say, me look out for him, but I just make certain, no say, angry, the business just like how you deal with it. You understand what I'm saying? Don't be a fool and self. You understand what I say? So we did it. We look
Man.
over that and there is so many things for him to learn about yet. You understand? So I always there by his side. You understand what I say?
Respect, man.
To make good decision, not the bad one. Yeah?
You can't stay there, go better you go with the rich one and eat big food. And your belly would have full, you go with him now. I bet say something worse than mackerel and rice. I mean, on your mackerel again. Oh, I hope say rich man see her, you know. And then nobody like her again. And like me. Oh, cause she said she don't want him. And when I drop her head, make it drop on her shoulder. And make it drop on my shoulder. You hear God? Please. Make it drop on my shoulder. And then when time he come my way, now you go hear some bad mind. Me no bad mind. Me still go give you something. But you now go get enough like what you expect, cause you never give me no real blind. Me go take it myself. Oh, and you alone, and you go there take it agony. Oh, and under no pressure. And me. And me plan to take it pressure in. You no plan to take no pressure in. Me not suffer. With nobody make you more suffer with him.
Yeah, man, them things. You know, say place I develop though? Yes, man. This place look nice, man. All of that view. All the lady over there, so I never know say she have business a big house, you know, but come like, a man a fine and send the money give her.
What I mean, brother, man.
I love that.
Things that go on for people nowadays, you know.
Yeah,
But
man.
that feels like a first time, you know. Things, you know, see everything change, man. Life great with everybody. Remember when time you used to walk, you drive, see me, the place nice.
Yeah.
Thing alright. Your boy when licking grow up. Turn big man, you know, saying go grow up so fast.
I think it's new.
Boy, grow up fast, man.
Yo.
Sister, man, we check our sister around her yard, because when you do up in the house, we check her. Check her. Have to check her.
Shayna,
Yeah.
the reason why I never want to talk to you, yeah. Come on, your sister see and he go ups and down and he want to hear everything. You know, he knows already.
Me know,
No
I mean,
disrespect, though, you know.
Yeah,
No
but me
disrespect.
understand. Cause
Yeah.
she know.
Yeah, alright. Remember, just somebody say more by you.
It's so.
Yeah.
Yeah, me go get
We
it
go
today.
buy. Move that! Hold that! Go! It's
Are you my fella?
Are you? Are you?
Me? I mean, I have dog run on me.
I'll give me a say. You can buy the suit, so you can have it. Go back.
Oh, so we go buy it now. So we can carry back on the yard.
Yeah, of course. Then you take up your go every Friday. Then you go here.
Me did a plan
Yes,
and I
then
get
you
it
have
promised me. So.
And we can buy you one nice slipper.
Because me like, me no love
Sneakers.
slippers, yes.
Alright, we go and buy that and we can do your ear. We can do your
Make
makeup.
sure you not chop because me ear are root up.
Well, I tell you, say we can do everything for you.
You know if you do no makeup for me, no love the makeup.
You love your makeup?
No, me no.
So anything you want, we can do it for you and you're alright. And plus, we can get a package change.
So,
In case you want something, you can go to the bar or buy.
things are good.
As a boss lady. You know what I mean?
So you have to feel like a female. So I'm to you, brother. Oh, yeah, move, so.
Alright, man.
Make sure you see alright, you know. You see it? Brother, what are you? Brother, what is that? Jesus. Oh, get up, brother. Brother, what is I'm going to call Chaplain. Brother, oh God! Brother, relax, I said, brother. Yeah. See, brother, I want to do the same thing. Yeah. Oh no, man, I want to.
Hola.
How that they call you?
Hello?
Chaplain! Come here quick, your father job done. Come here.
Alright. Me I come.
Do it quick.
Shayna. I
Where they go?
forgot make a move and go in the yard. But look here now. Look here now. When you hold on for this. And when me come back, me go explain it.
What is?
Yes, this is for me to you.
So me go get the suit.
But me come back, me go and buy it. Listen to Shayna.
You call
look
me,
here now,
you
look here
not
now.
come back.
No, me not. I just want to do something and come back. So look here now. Just keep it safe and then make your sister see it. Yeah?
You take me out of yard.
You soon come back.
Disappoint
Relax
me.
now.
No like
Yeah,
me not
come on, you
something.
soon come man. You have to make a movie, yeah?
Alright. Because he tell me say when time he come back, me go get his suit and me want the money. And no say, I good have money, you know, have to buy me suit. You see, they hurry they go along so. All this and love letter, he can't give me none of this. Me not even the luck panic. Me a carry on go dash away because he promised me sitting and now when they come. Phone call taking me run we gone about his business. And money he not got, he think he can trick me from when he promised me suit. You know, so me I got done with chop last because me can't bother with you on him broke style. So far he can't outside that.
Relax. Chaplain!
Boy, my sister lucky though. When look at what she did there front line. Like she journey over again. Me want lucky so like she, you know. Jesus. And mama just in, out. The one here, then the one here. Must be for rotation. It better than pass road donkey. Want me sis? I go tell my sister say anything when you do, me want to do it too. I go see her and then me know exactly where she do forget that the look there. At least me not bad mind. Me happy for her still. When she get things, she will give me some. Yeah, anything when she get, she will give me.
Relax, fuckhead.
Good, me say, brother, me alright, you know. You
Brother, drink some more water, man. Drink some more water.
Yo, yeah, you think man a baby, man, yo, me alright,
brother, you
man.
see, well, we did this a while ago. I see him to me ask you if brother, you're alright. You say yes, you're alright. And when me look, you drop a ground. Brother, remember your heart. Remember your heart.
See, you call the boy, make the boy
come up yourself! Come upstairs! So, brother, what will happen to you? Eh? Brother!
Good man, I just
Where's you going on, Lato?
Your father. You know, tell me say no feel so well, but get some water. I know you're saying alright. So, I make me call you. You understand? I'm saying, I seen Japan.
I son cars in a choke. I son cars.
I son.
You don't feel like son, man.
I ain't somebody that turn up all the reason, you know. I'm see man job. So me I wonder what going on.
Supposed to the job. That is supposed to see me job. So that is supposed to the job over here.
Brother. Me there for you.
Suppose you don't be saying that
job. Son.
I just kneel long, my son. You don't worry about that, man.
But you could have job over there. So suppose I did you alone up here.
Alright. Everything alright.
If I did you alone up here, you don't job over there.
I check you, man.
Falan, after he give me a ticket and a band, I said we go get fish fry. Him promise me, say go buy me suit of clothes for $900.
I know you not get to eat that fish there.
Each time they come up and now chapla, they tell me say, the man will give me ticket them for sell, where they keep the dance, say after the party keep, then he go pay him the money. So me can't go get the suit of clothes for go chapla too broke and me can't bother with them.
Me fi tell you so
look
you
what,
listen.
and they come with love letter, come give me.
You
Me
fi
not tell them read it.
Love letter done with.
My last thing before you go, you better dash you
Love letter done with,
me done with, me just done with it.
Make you all them read that to you.
Love now go nowhere and a long time you they tell me fed up and tell you chapla.
One big rock stone and stumble down one hill. Me tell you that is love.
You see, if me did open the mouth and say nothing to a rich man, in that buy me all 2 suits.
Me tell you.
Remember me tell you.
I even buy a fish before I even go to fish fry.
I even buy me fish. Me I that they eat fish before
yes.
I go fish. All chicken we go that they eat and a fish fry I keep.
Oh,
Chop
yeah.
it too broke and brokeness. Can't put in a pocket. And now me did I see what you say. I know I say, I can't if you call
love
him and tell him say done,
He can't make you shopping. He can't carry a supermarket to push Charlie.
And then the worst thing about it, you know, me I talk to him about the situation, Chapla get one phone call. Chappy walk off, gone, fallen like say. He no value me our conversation with me and him. They have no word. Excuse. He bun me everything in me. A rich man wouldn't do that.
Never.
Remember me tell you.
I told you.
I'm out there, they cuss over and clothes. Look for when chopping and give me nothing.
None at all.
They come pick up people flowers and all kind of. We can't bother with them If I saw, me gonna make it.
Make him go on. You know what you do? Call him and tell him say relationship done.
You know, say that.
Them say end, ship
That
sing,
me fi do fi
anchor, jar up.
the time me there, they beat up me mouth. Me a call him.
Do it.
Put it on speaker, make you can. A good
What you
thing
mean?
say, me did have
And
a
then give
style,
their
you
tone.
buy me
Now you
style.
know where you want
Party
to
they come up on me fi dress up in a old clothes.
Oh, bright and
promise
face,
me
old
sitting.
bro.
You know, fi willing promise
And
me
see
too.
Queen stop wear. When you wear?
Your phone I ring and your phone, my boy.
Give me a minute there, yeah.
Just to say, alright, now. Come up back your water.
Don't worry, the boy, you understand?
Yeah,
Don't
man,
worry,
yeah,
boy,
man.
man.
Yeah, you hear what me I say?
No, me soon come, man. Me soon come.
Me soon me I say no.
A relationship where they go on between me and you, there is no, a ship sink. A ship sink, so Chaplain, it's over. We done. It just now go work out.
Stop it, man. I must prank your prank. Me soon come.
Chappy, in prank me and prank you. I think I can't kind thing this with a pan. Chappy just listen what me I say. It's
Me tell us if you give it there to him first, you know.
yeah, good.
Me say when I done tell him, hang up.
You see, if that one do, me what's I done with him? If me were even gonna think about it,
Hang him up,
what's I done with him? Me have no. You see what me I tell you? I saw me I talk to Chaplain and Chaplain walk we gone. You see me I talk to Chaplain and
Me tell you.
one day if he, I go that girl he fine.
Jesus.
And broke as him be.
Alright, my son.
Yeah,
Alright,
alright,
man. I lady there chat to
Yeah, man. I don't get me there and then later call me so me come up and so
Oh,
I call me.
just go and go enjoy yourself,
Both
man.
down, alright.
Yeah, man.
Call him again and tell him. Make sure say you're good.
Call him again, cause
And ask him I really there Tony in give you.
bright
And you hang up listen time before
Yeah.
him.
Force her as he said him.
Mm-hmm.
You know she a call
Alright,
about
Alright.
Hello?
Then they think of prank, on prank thing. When you see up on the right, you take it left. And see up on the left, you take it right. Oh, you come for hang up phone for me and press out of that face.
Me not make it hang up on. No, make it.
Yes, this.
Yes.
That's so good. Me soon come here.
Alright, my boy.
Alright.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See if he ever text you and like I try to talk to you or nothing, do like when man text and say okay, no give him no long text. You say okay, if you don't write it, write it case so it's okay.
You can block.
And when you write cool, and you write again, I want next to cool love text and it my boy just say cool. And don't put the cool face, don't put the emoji, put the cool alone.
Understand, yeah.
And
that
some
thing
man
forget.
text girl when they write long messages.
That thing forget. Me get over him one day. Remember me tell him, me can't, me not go. Me should have just follow you. Listen to you from morning. Me that cut him off long time.
Yeah, and then you fish
This
left
time, me wouldn't talk about going on fish fire. Hotel me and the rich man that the probably
you see,
right.
pan balcony, you drink pina colada.
The rich man now go make me wear no $900 clothes. A cheap and clean that.
Hey, that the man then shop in a JC
Cheap
penny.
and
You look
clean.
like.
You know see a man look.
Oh, you
You know see a
mean?
look. I mean just a beer with
You
Chaplain.
see a move out watch it in a 100,000 for them to watch there, you know.
Just make sure say you fling the love letter the far when give me not even
Make
read
it
me
go
not
on
read it.
before them out there with
Cause
it.
me nah I love you business. I know Anansi story. Anything where I want write in there so long, me no business. Me not read
Then
it.
pick out the word
Make
one
him
one.
take him out and tell me what I want to say. Me just
Out of
done with him,
order.
Fallon. Me done with
Come
him.
up front, man. Me see, me say me no like man about they can't find you, you know. You see, woman love man we say, they go find you, though. You better in there say, I go find him. But he must say, he no have it. You no must go find somebody.
A long time in they tell me saying go find you and see fish fry come now. They come and when a fish fry 2 days from now. And he can't go find and find
But
it.
then you go catch 2 fish.
Me don't shut your
And
mouth.
fry it for you.
You cook?
Yes, it's the right food.
No get
Full your belly. Cause richness with it.
Me not even appetite no did it.
What
Cause
you
me green.
mean?
Me just you mix drinks.
You no buy no drinks.
Fallon, me have to go back on the road. Go
Me
buy
mix
drinks.
it, me mix. Look,
Alright,
mix
me
it
go-
there for I went drinky, but me still want more.
Alright, make my
Different
food
one
stay
for
till later.
everyone.
I'll drink some drinks because I don't have the appetite right now. God no.
Me have appetite. Nobody nobody use a little stress for the other man and them have the
And
food.
he now go get no more girl kind broke. No woman and
Oh.
no broke man.
Cause any of that full of belly you would come in here, come and yam. The man they would have full of belly you come in and me that say sister eat some of my food and then force you.
Yes, man. It takes so long. Depending on from your first and go for forward, you know.
Probably me never hear it first.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, alright.
See you thirsty? Just see you later talk, man. See you all one shot there. You see you want?
I water.
Sure see you water you want?
So you don't want nothing?
Oh man, my good man.
Alright, it soon come.
Switch off and wait. Take your time, you know.
Alright.
What's here? Oh, go on. You come to your senses, man. How long me no see? I must be a call up for. No bother with it, me see you. Me see you. No bother with it. You're not asleep. Wake up, me see you. What you can't look for me, you come to your senses. Wake up and stop be foolish this. You never did that sleep.
Hey girl, what kind of style up my girl? That's me and my boss asleep, my girl.
So want me, you don't miss me, so you greet me, want me, not even want hug, nothing. You come to your senses and want back your woman.
Oh no, if I asleep, I'm still asleep.
Maybe-
Where are you, my friend?
I don't see you no come here, come and see me, I say you come look for me, so I couldn't nobody else, and who you come look for?
Chosen, me not done talk to you already. Say yo, me got to move on with my life, man.
You know, see you come back with the foolishness and them something make me get loud. I don't like your style in the youth.
Chosen,
When
you
come back
just
with the
all
fool-
over the place, Chosen. Me can't manage your Chosen. When
Well,
you
look
think
how
about
me-
it, but me have to just move on, Chosen.
Look how me did a good. You really have to go back over this all of how you look for.
Chosen, no one know
And
your
who are you
time,
there
no
here?
Chosen, me there.
No, and me you come look for, so I can't. How you look for?
Chosen.
I must on your brethren
you
you look
know
for.
the excitement, you know.
Me in
can't
the
bother with this,
excitement
you know.
because I miss you, I want but my man. Where you say? Because you must come to your senses now. Where you depend? Come to your
Chosen.
finger, see me did
No,
that
man.
did for help
Just
you and
cool, no,
nurse you
man.
and take care of you.
Chosen, me woman over there, so.
Which woman? Which woman? Me no fight man, but me fight no no. Which girl? No girl. No girl. A farm me here come from. Let me go. Let me go. Let me never get a problem for you. Come on, see which girl. What you? Girl.
Remember she?
Remember you.
You don't know each other?
What you mean? At least a girl I'm meet when they did that stress for you.
Your ex.
I want to go on there, sir.
So you don't tell me say your ex-girlfriend done and your girlfriend run off with your money and all kind of things. So
Me run off with your money? What a wicked boy. Boy, you're showing true colors.
If I saw you steer, you are a wicked man for children. You mean to tell me say I really saw you steer?
Hey, no listen to her. No listen to
So
her.
you mean by she not listen to me? You're too wicked and lie.
Hey, Beers, listen
So
to
this
me.
a real.
Listen now.
So this I really left my father if start over one whole relationship with a girl and I know the
Done
girl.
with her, she may not be done with her. You see what I say?
You done
You
everything
really
good.
want to deal with her.
Yeah, forget your facts straight, just like how
So
me
it's
get
really
my
youth.
facts straight.
Pick a choice. Show your true colors.
me,
Pick a
done,
choice.
chosen, me done. How long that mash up and we can't come back.
Me can't believe this.
Everything
man,
good.
hurt me.
Have
No
a nice
leg off
life.
on me.
Everything good.
Let me tell her, calm down, man.
Not
Let
tell
she
me
go
if you
on.
calm down. Me left gone in a shop and next thing me come see a woman a quarrel. You never tell me about ex all along in a picture. You say your girlfriend run off with your money. You
calm
know
down.
in a nothing again on the left. So oh you there so in a
Calm down.
argument.
Calm down.
Calm down where?
Calm down, B man. You wanna? Me tell her say it done and she just can't get over me. Me no know what.
Am I supposed to believe that?
You don't know I go already, man.
Me no know
she
it,
love
but
a long
tell me.
stick, man, and you know, and she choose
Well,
she
if I
can't
that have
get
a
it.
problem, go and go give her a long stick
No,
because she go
man.
always coming back for
Me
the long
done
stick.
with her. Me tell her say, you know, me
Okay,
no need for the
alright.
quarrel over them things, you know. And if I saw you stay and go believe all of that, it makes sense you just go on to.
Right now, me believe her. Me not tell her no lie, me believe her. What me mood to believe her? I know me a come boy, man. Leg off for me. Watch out.
No man, you don't need you're too nice for the go on, so man. Just calm down, no, man.
You take
Too
this
nice
thing
for
for
the
joke.
babe,
You
so you
think
know.
say me
Remember,
no
say me have a lot
laughing?
of plan for you, you know. Me done with her.
I know
You
much
see me?
plan for reach right here, so we don't forget disappointment.
Hey,
You know
you
much
can't-
things me put off.
You can't talk, so stop your eyes, man. Me never kiss a girl yet, you know. Believe me when I tell her, man. Just calm down, no, man.
Shayna!
Man, that's
Shayna!
how she a go.
Oi!
You know, how would I go?
I just let me back.
I'm ex.
I'm think a joke you make Shayna. What you do?
Choppy, why excitement for?
No.
Let me go there go talk to him. Just
Somebody
give me
tell me
one
say
second,
over
please.
you. All along you see somebody else. No man, Shayna.
Chop
What you
lad.
do? Me know that boy you know. And him me see. When me go so go buy something I ask me want. Jesus, cause I'm saying I bus Shayna. You didn't I bus.
Chop lad, you know
No man.
Choppy, me talk to you now.
You don't really want to give me Shayna.
Over, me call you and me tell you say over, Choppy. I hear you talk about prank. You see it? You get yourself hurt. Let me just talk to
Your time
him.
done, brother. Yo, you move
Chop
on.
lad, I
brother.
just call life. But me tell you say over.
Yeah,
Me
man
call
say
you
done,
and
really?
you up on the phone.
How long you see this thing here?
Choppy, me can't
Hey,
talk
listen
about
me
that
now.
now.
You know the pan them thing, you know.
You talk, look here, a while ago, you know, when me gone in that shop, me come out just to come see you and for your ex-girlfriend, they have it out
Can't, no,
in
me
the
can't.
So let me explain something to Chop lad.
I don't want to hear nothing. Me don't want to hear a thing because you're wicked. Me can't believe you do me this. All along. This is all good Shayna, man.
Choppy, me never
Let me
really
see-
mean to do this, but you need to make me.
Go on in there, bus car. You can't roll, so you know. You can't roll, so.
Chop lad, for your peaceful life, just live your life. You hear me? I tell us, Chop lad, because you take things for joke, all right now.
But, you know, God, man. Me a just when I hear
I
this.
still love letter, me dash you away.
Oh, man, wicked enough. Yo, man, I want wicked. Sit down and say, Shayna, I see you a long time. I'm happy with it. I mean, don't want nothing. You could have killed me. I mean, yo, man, I wicked for shooting at you.